Like last time, remember, this is our spawn point. And now we're not going to create a parkour edges. As this is over here, we'll shift it around to here for our spawn point B. And then the rest will wipe over here will be our parkour. So number 1, change the position of the spawn point. Let's put it around over here. Let's put it a little up, like very up, and then let's hide it. If we press play, we'll have it like that. Number 2, creating our parkour. I'm just going to do a very simple parkour, creating a kind of a nice looking starting line and a finish line. Okay, I'm just going to fill this place because I don't want any gaps. Okay, so now for our parkour, what we are going to do is something that I really hope you like. So firstly, what is our plan? So right now, while I'm creating the level, I can tell you the basic plan. So what exactly is the basic plan? So first, what we want our player to do is go to the finish line. There will be a person standing in the middle of these two blocks. I'll know where to put the position of the player. And then when the player talks to the person, then the quest will start. Well, then you have been learned how to use the required message in the quest system and how to use the asker in the message system. Next thing you will need is some damage, like always. So after it is done, we want our player to go to the finish line. There will be an object for detecting the entity. Then for the finish of the game, I will put a message required. That means there will be a message required for the quest to end. And then lastly, our game is finished. Okay. Now let's put the finish line. Okay, the finish line is finished. We can put the damaging blocks. And then you know how to set it. Go to global parameter, controller, components, damaging blocks, the metaverse glow. Metaverse glow. This one. Now we test the game out. That is our parkour quest. And jump, and that's basically it. And also, we have to set the damage to 9900. Okay. Now it should insta kill the player. Next thing is the person the player will need to talk to. There we go. Then the rules tab. Enable the quest and add a quest. We'll name it the Great Race. The Great Parkour. Yeah. For description, finish the parkour in front of you. Or in front of you. Only the fastest people can. Auto lock, auto launch should require a message called race.quest.start. Wait for message. And then here we will need to press quest.game.race.quest. And auto completion should be requires message race.quest.finish. Race.quest.finish. Now all of these setups are done. We can now code our adventure jet. So we can add a component. Okay, so if the ask is not in the component, we can go to behavior and find asker. There, now speaker name, jet the race creator. Okay. After we have jet the race creator, we can type, are you sure that you can finish the parkour? Because only the fastest people can. I'm only gonna let them get one answer. Yes. Can remove the health component. Edit logic. And then the message sent should be race.quest.start. Then go to add component and add the indicator component. Boom. Let's put the visibility distance 200. Okay, now let's see. Adventurer death. Are you sure that you can finish the parkour? Because only the fastest people can. Yes, I am not a noob. Okay, yes, the great parkour has started. Now we need to get careful with this jump. Oh my god. Very carefully. My parkour is not that hard. You can create it as much hard as you want. Like before I created this parkour for the testing, my parkour was too hard to create. I couldn't even defeat. Okay, so at the finish line, dun, 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 we can put anything. But I'm going to be choosing something nice, something good. So firstly, I'll put another adventurer jet over here. Then invisibility, I'll put something over here. Pressing it, it should be hidden and no collisions. With that, I would put which speaker behavior, cut component, detect entity in the range of quite less range, yeah, and there. So there should be good. Then when spoken, edit logic, when spoken, raise dot quest dot end. So here we'll put the ask a behavior. Yay! You finished the parkour quest. Wait for message. Wait, what? It should not be a speaker, sorry. It should be asker behavior. Sorry for that. Asker behavior. Then here, say get the race data. How are you today? Instead of that, yay, you finished. Yay. 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 Yeah, I'm just gonna fill everything. Yay. And then you can put race quest dot n, race quest dot n, race quest dot n, race quest dot end. And then after it is done, we can end the game. So we go to rules, go to here, go down. After this, end the game. Okay, so let's see if this is working. La 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 la. Hi Jet. Are you sure that you can finish the parkour? Because only the fastest people can. Yes, I can finish the parkour. The objective unlocked the great parkour. Yeah. Wow, that was close. Okay, jump, 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 poof, jump, jump, jump. Yay, you finished! Yay, 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 it's full of yays. And now, I'm gonna... Because of this, okay, let me see why isn't it happening. Race.quest.end. Yeah, you finished only one true. Okay, I didn't put a message required. Sorry. Message required should be race.quest.end. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. Let me just press it out very quickly. Oops. Wait a second. run more. Boom, 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 boom. Ah, no, 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 no. Please run more. Jump, 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 jump. Yay, you finished. Press yay. Nothing. Okay, so let's see what's the problem. What message am I sending for this? Okay, sorry for that, Again? Sorry, should be raised because of finish. Why am I so confused of them? Sorry for that, sorry. Okay, now I'm 100% sure it will work, so yes. Sorry for that. Yes, now it's working. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh video time is out.